So right here we've got the Carnival Breeze. Alright, just dropped off luggage. Porter drop off here at Liberty of Seas is crazy. A lot of people still waiting to get to the airport from the cruise coming off. It's crazy. Get here early. Now 11 o'clock, we are in line, ready to get on this boat, waiting in line to go through security, 11 o'clock. Alright, it's officially 11:15, we got through pre-checkout already. I went through the screening, now we're about ready to check onto the boat. 15 minutes, not bad. Getting on the ship, less than 30 minutes from the time we came in to now when we're getting on the ship. It's officially 11:34 and we are just about ready to get on. Alright, so we're in our stateroom right now on the Liberty of the Seas. We're in room 6696. As you can see from here, we're on a queen conversion, also with a hide-to-bed couch. And then on the back side of our queen conversion is our balcony. You've got the TV, and you've got your desk space. Mini fridge on the bottom left with some storage drawers. Good sized desk space. And then moving along to the closet, you'll see these racks here, and those are good to put your luggage on. Holding your bags there off the floor if you've got a lot of them. You've got your issued hangers, pant hangers and regular hangers. On the left hand side you've got your storage shelves. You got your safe. Nice amount of space here for all your items. Also got your life jackets. Always be safe. And then we're going to come into the bathroom next. As we open the door into the bathroom, you've got the walk-in shower with the slide doors, adjustable head, handrails. Got the tile floor. Got your commode toilet, and that there on the left is open storage behind that mirror. Not bad space in this bathroom actually. You've got your sink and countertop space. We saved a lot of room off of here with our different storage options that we brought with us, so that helped out a lot. Below you've also got some more storage. Got your towel racks up there, and then up high you've got your other set of towel racks that you can also use to dry clothes and stuff on. We used a lot of things in here to dry clothes on. And that there, for the most part, concludes most of the setup in the room. Once again, we're on the Liberty of the Seas, room 6696.